Hello students, we are going to continue the chapter 2, the teeth. In the last class, we have learned about milk teeth and permanent teeth and types of teeth. Today we will discuss on these three topics: structure of a tooth, tooth decay and care of teeth. Structure of a tooth. We have different types of teeth, but all of them have the same structure. Each tooth has three main parts: crown, neck and root. Crown. Crown is the part of the tooth which is visible and above the gum. Neck. Neck lies just below the crown. Root. Root is the part which is present inside the gum. Gums hold the teeth tightly to their places. A tooth is made of three layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. The visible white part of a tooth is called crown and it's covered with a hard layer. Called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Below the enamel lies the dentine, which is not as hard as enamel. Inside the dentine is a soft part called pulp. It has nerves and blood vessels and continue down to the root. The nerves are connected to the gums through a hole present in root. These nerves send signals to the brain. When have a toothache, a long rod fixes tooth in a jaw. Students, internal structure of a tooth, you will draw this one in your G-Science notebook and test yourself. This one also you have to do by yourself in your book. Now the next topic is tooth decay. When we eat our food, bits of food get stuck between our teeth. This becomes the breeding ground for bacteria. These bacteria form a thin layer. This thin layer called plaque. This plaque produces an acid which starts dissolving the enamel, leading to tooth decay. These bacteria slowly make a hole in the teeth. Then they infect the dentine and pulp. When the bacterial infection reaches the nerves inside the pulp, it causes pain. Tooth decay results in a foul smell from the mouth, toothaches, cavities, and indigestion. Now, the last topic of this chapter is care of teeth. We all know that teeth are very important for us. So we must take good care of our teeth. To keep teeth healthy and prevent them from decay, you must follow the tips. Now I am going to tell you the tips. Number 1. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night before going off to bed. Number 2. Do not eat too many sweets and chocolates. They spoil the teeth. Number 3. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Number 4. Massage your gums every day to make them strong. Number 5. Use dental floss for cleaning between the two teeth. What is dental floss? Dental floss is a special tool a thin thread, generally made of plastic or nylon, which is placed between the teeth and pulled to clean the gaps between the teeth. As the thread is pulled, it removes food particles and other debris which may have got stuck between the teeth. This is called dental floss. And the last, number 6, don't forget to visit your dentist once every 6 months. How to brush? Regular brushing of teeth is the best way to keep the teeth healthy. Number 1, brush your upper teeth with down stroke and lower teeth with upward stroke. Brush at back of the teeth. Brush the flat surface of the premolars and molars. For healthy teeth and gums, calcium and vitamin C are necessary for healthy teeth and gums. So make sure you have milk, cheese, curd, etc., which are rich sources of calcium. Number 2, eat lemon, orange, gooseberry, etc., which are rich sources of vitamin C. Eat raw fruits and vegetables like radish, carrot, apple, etc. These help in making your teeth and gums strong. Number 4, avoid eating too much or sticky food such as jellies. Such food can damage your teeth as they stay on the teeth longer than other types of food. Always remember to rinse mouth with water, brush and floss carefully after eating them. Number 5, avoid eating crunchy food such as potato wafers and roasted peanuts. These food tend to get trapped in your teeth, and if not removed, they can lead to build up of plaque on our teeth. Number 6, avoid drinking carbonated soft drinks. These are bad for your teeth. And the last, 7, avoid eating too many hard sugar candies. After that, question round. Question number A, tick the correct option. B, fill in the blanks. C, write true or false. These 3 you will do in your G-Science book. But question number D is your answer this question in 1 or 2 sentences. And the last E, answer these questions in details. Question number D and E you will do in your G-Science notebook. Thank you.